Now let's build this dashboard using AI tool. This is a free AI tool by the name of OpenCode. I have installed it in the previous video. If you didn't watch that video. You have link in the description. After installing that tool, now let's first of all create an empty folder. So I will just show you. So this is an empty folder. So after coming to open folder, right click and open in terminal. After pressing that, so here if you want to see the version of your open code, simply search right like this open code version, so version 1.2. So now let's open the CLI tool of open code. So simply write open code, so it will open the open code CLI tool. So let's wait, it will just take a minute. Yeah, this is the CLI tool of OpenCode. Now here we will ask from OpenCode to generate this dashboard code for us. So simply we are here at the AI dashboard folder. Look at here at the end, you can see the path of our folder. So we will move to an AI tool like ChatGPT, and we will ask from ChatGPT to provide us a prompt. So I wrote that I would like to use OpenCode CLI tool to make admin dashboard design. Could you provide the prompt for this design? So here I will just add using Tailwind CSS only, like this. Ask from ChatGPT, so it will just provide us a prompt. So you can edit this prompt as you wish, as you want. So you can just edit how many links, sidebar, whatever you want. So just add that. So I will simply copy this prompt. Simply just wait. Okay, I will copy this one. So after copying this, come here to the CLI tool and ask here, paste that, and look at here, that is in build. If you press tab, so it will be changed to plan, but it should be in build. Press enter, so it will start generating your code. So it's building. Yeah, look at thinking user wants me to modern admin dashboard using HTML and Tailwind CSS. So yeah, it is generating our code. So let's wait and pause video until it generates the code. So it has created admin dashboard.html file for us. So let's now move. Look at this is the whole code. Let's move to that folder. So look at we have admin dashboard. Now let's run this file. So we will see the admin dashboard. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at the admin dashboard. But here we can move to the jobs, categories, application, setting in other tabs. So to make these also, so we can simply ask from this CLI tool, please add separate pages and links to the side bar anchor tags, anchor links. Press this, so it will add separate pages to all those links which are in sidebar. So let's wait what it do. Okay, it will just generate all these files. So our files are ready now. Look at dashboard, user, jobs, categories, applications, and settings. So now let's open the folder. Look at we have these files. So now let's open dashboard. So look at the same dashboard, but let's check users. So we have users, how beautiful it is. Look at the AI. So this is all that we have. It is about the setting. Okay, so it was all about how to use this free AI tool to generate dashboard code using Tailwind CSS just in a few minutes. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down. Thanks for watching.